I believe you must have done few exercises on time value of money. Is there anyone who can show me ki sir I did few question or this many questions? I wanted to check that. किसी भी बच्चे ने कुछ टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ मनी का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है क्या? Am I audible to you all?
सर आप ऑडिबल हो?
आपके अलावा भी कोई क्लास में है या सब मोबाइल में ऑन करके निकल लिए इवनिंग वॉक को? अभी तो वॉक को भी नहीं जा सकते।
सर आप हो ऑडिबल?
नहीं, तुम लोग दो तो बोलते ही हो, बाकी सबके मुंह में क्या रहता है? आई डाउट दे आर देयर इन द क्लास। This is how we started learning time value of money. Okay, I told you to, I have given you how the future value to be computed, and I have asked you to do the practice of present value. How many of you have done it?
सर फिर से रिपीट करोगे? सॉरी।
So if you will not practice, then how do you think we will be proceeding further for the next topic? With a very simple things I told you, just multiply with your calculator and get the answers. You are unable to do it. Very difficult then. Let me see how much you know about it. Only one Rakesh is stating that he has practice.
Sir, even I have practiced.
Okay, let me see how much you have practiced. Suppose you have deposited 1,000 rupees today in saving bank account. If the rate of interest is 3%, as if now, how much will be your money after the end of first year? How much will be the value of money of yours after 1 year?
Sir, 1125.51.
No, not right answer.
1030.
Yes. Very simple question.
1030.
Yes, the right answer will be 1030. Okay. You lend 500 at 5% interest provided that She pays you back 500 plus 2% interest after 2 years. How much you need to pay now? Just ignore the dollar sign.
4805.
551.
Sir,
Sir,
551.
551.
How much?
551.
Both answers are wrong.
490.
Sorry?
490.
I don't know. So in this question number 2, they are not asking about future value. They are asking about present value.
$453.
The right answer could be 453. I don't know. Okay. So we want 500 after 2 years with 5% interest. How much I need to pay now? So what I will do? Rate of interest is 500 divide by 105. This is first year. This is second year. To be multiplied with 500. 453 is the right answer. That is why I have asked you to practice at home. अगर नहीं करेंगे तो कैसे चलेंगे? If you borrow 10,000 from bank, you agree to pay loan after 5 years, and you paid 13% loan. How much you will pay to them?
$18,424.
424.
How much you got?
18,424.
18,004.
18,424.
So in this question, they are asking future value of money with rate of interest 13%. 113 divide by 100. This will be for first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Yes, the right answer is 18,424. If you will invest rupees 100 now, how much you will get after a year if the rate of interest is 5%?
$105.
Yes, 105.
Similar kind of example is there in your textbook also. You please do practice. Here you will get their answer also. Like this is very simple question. What is the present value receivable after 8 years at the rate of discount 15%? Get me the answer. These are present value. Similarly, you can get the future value also. Yeah, very simple. If we have 5,000 employee, if it is growing by 5%, what will be the employees after 10 years? How many employees we will be getting after 10 years? So likewise, you need to practice. Have you got this answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And similar kind of question we have at the beginning of the time value of money syllabus also. So if there is a fixed deposit scheme by Andhra Bank, which offers you rate of interest like this. If your deposit is 46 days to 179 days, you will get 10%, 180 days to 1 year, and the 365 days, 10.5%, 1 year and above, 11%. Okay. An amount of 10,000 invested today will be growing after 3 years. What will be your answer? How much you are getting as answer? Future value. Yeah, Rakesh.
13,676.
Can you come again?
13,676.
13,000.
676.
It is almost same because they have rounded off. अगर आप इसको 8 कर लोगे तो then you will get this answer. Okay, both answers are right.
सर बट डेज को कैलकुलेट कैसे किया?
This is the perfect answer. Okay. Let us go to next question. Question number 3. Get me the answer. Page number 14.
सर
Yeah.
बट डेज को कैलकुलेट कैसे किया वो नहीं समझा.
बेस हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में सिखाया था ना. During last lecture we had a discussion on it. Here also they are asking about future value. What is the formula for future value? Here we have discussed present value into future value interest factor. How to get the future value interest factor? Very simple to get the future value interest factor. In the calculator, we will calculate, like see in this previous question, what was the rate of interest? In the previous question, the rate of interest was 11% because it is there for 3 years. So rate of interest will be applicable 11%. So here I will take 111 divide by 100 into, this is the first year's cumulative value, second year, third year, and that to be multiplied with the investment present value, that is 10,000. Will get as this answer. What other student has calculated? Any doubt? These are very, very simple questions. Go to next.
Sir, 14,049.28.
Someone got 14,049. What about others?
Yeah. 14,049.
Hello? Huh? Status दोनों खाली submit किया है. Proposal. This is absolutely, just 1 second. This is absolutely right answer.